Hi Stage 3 and welcome to Thursday morning devotion. I hope you had a great day yesterday on our pause day and that you got up to something different and were able to spend some time away from your screen in the sunshine enjoying God's beautiful creation. Today for our devotion we're going to be talking a little bit more about how God always keeps his promises. And in 5-6 KT we've been talking about, we started at Genesis and we've basically just been moving through the Bible and we're continuing on with that and we're up to Exodus now. So I'm going to just talk to you a little bit about that this morning. Have you ever watched shows where people have to fend for themselves, like Survivor or Bear Grylls or something like that? I wonder how you would go finding your own food and shelter. We're going to see how God's people survived in that time. Do you remember the guy called Abraham and the promises that God made to Abraham? He promised him land and descendants. Now, at the time, Abraham would have thought that was pretty crazy, remember, because he didn't have any descendants. But after a long time of trusting God, Abraham had a son called Isaac, as God promised that he would. And one of Isaac's sons was Jacob, and Jacob had lots of sons. One of them was Joseph. God sent Joseph to Egypt in order to save his people from a terrible famine. But how have things been going in Egypt over that time? Well, it seems the challenge the Egyptians were facing was to stop the Israelite tribe from growing so fast. But no matter what they did, it seemed like the tribe just kept growing and growing. So they were trying all sorts of different strategies to stop them from growing. But no matter what the king did, he couldn't seem to stop that from happening. So why do you think that might be? Well, Israel's king was the Lord God, and he was in charge. So this king was God, and he was looking after the Israelites, and he had a very special plan. It's a pretty tough opponent to go up against. So the king of Egypt was so angry that the number of people in Israel kept increasing that he commanded everyone in Egypt to put every Israelite baby boy that was born into the Nile River. I've put the video here on Teams, a video link for you to watch that story of Moses. Lots of you will already know it, but it's a good reminder. This is an amazing sequence of events that shows just how much God was in control of everything that was happening and how he was keeping the promise that he had made long ago to Abraham. It would have felt at the time like God had abandoned them, but God had this amazing plan and he continued to keep his promise to his people. It seems that no matter what, God didn't leave his people or forget them. And we can learn so much about God's character from what we read about him in the Bible. God is faithful and trustworthy. He kept his promise to Abraham, and God keeps his promise to love and protect us today. I hope that you can put your faith and trust in God today and know that he is in control. If you go down on our Teams page, you can also click onto a song, and the song is God Keeps His Promises. Just scroll down on that link to the link where the song is, and you can listen to that. Okay, I'll be back soon. Watch our next video with our morning messages. See you soon.